All right, new Kobalt air compressor wouldn't start. Found out it had a bad switch on it. This is the bad switch. If you look inside, hold on a minute. If you look inside here, you can see the contact opening and closing. See it? Now, it should open and close it on the other side the same way. And see, it doesn't do anything. Contact's not making contact. See it? If you turn around the other way, you can see the contact making contact. See? So my air compressor had a bad switch on it. So went and bought a new one and put on it. Let me show you the one I bought. I bought a DeWalt. It's called made by DeWalt. There it is. DeWalt switch, 175 PSI max. Changed it out. Put the new one on it. Wired everything up. Wired everything up to 240. So let's try it and see what it'll do. See if that's the problem. All right, here we go. Kobalt recommend that you run it 30 minutes. You want to run this motor 30 minutes and get your oil circulating. But I'll do that later. Right now, I just want to make sure it's running. So, everything works out. $400 for an 80-gallon Kobalt compressor. I think I spent another 45 bucks on this switch here, which is not bad. You can buy this whole unit at Lowe's for $1,000. So I think I come out pretty good. All right. I'm gonna leave it on the pallet for now. I don't really want to bolt it to the floor, but I'm gonna leave it on the pallet for now. Probably gonna beef up the platform just a little bit more, but I don't believe I'm gonna bolt it to the floor. Probably gonna keep it inside the shop, because I've seen a lot of thieves. If you got your air compressor outside, they'll cut the line and steal it. So I believe I'm gonna keep this one in the shop for now. But, seems like a good one. All right. It's got a 3-year warranty. I'll probably send the bad switch back to Kobalt, and they'll probably send me a new one. But I think the Kobalt switch is junk anyway. I heard online that the DeWalt switch is a lot better than the one that come on it. I think it's got a Campbell Housefeld switch on it, which is junk, what I read about. So now it's got a DeWalt switch on it. We'll see how that lasts. Get back with you and we'll see. All right, I'm out. Thank you.